Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I know I've been gone for a little bit, almost like 6 months, which is crazy, and I'm really sorry about that. I had a lot of things on my plate, final exams, studying, trying to boost my GPA, and a bunch of other things. But now, hopefully I can come back to making videos because I really enjoy making content related to the stock market and just economics and overall, because I find it really entertaining and really interesting also, and I want to help you guys understand also, and maybe even make some money in the process. So today I'm gonna be sharing my thoughts on Bitcoin and Tesla and why you should buy them for the near future, and why I think they're gonna be a big impact on the stock market overall. So today, right now, at 8:06 Central Time, Tesla just hit its 52-week high at $658.82, which is crazy. And if we go to Robinhood right now, it's at $673.35 and keeps going up. And it's really crazy, honestly. 'Cause if you look at the 3-month chart, this stock went from almost $380 in the span of 3 months to almost double that, about to hit 700, which is amazing. And honestly, I see Tesla as a big mover based on the fact that they're joining the S&P 500 on December 21st on Monday in the morning. And this will play an important role because Tesla got rejected from the S&P 500 due to the fact that they were not making any profit from sales or something like that. And now, 6 months later, they're getting accepted on the 21st, which is crazy. They completely turned around the tables. They took this pandemic into their advantage. They moved facilities and factories, or they're planning to build factories in Texas, and Elon Musk moved over here and stuff like that. So yeah, that's also, he owns many different companies, and I see Tesla playing a really big role in electric vehicles in the future, as well as energy maybe, and even other things. The fact that he owns so many different companies and each one is doing pretty well by themselves, the Boring Company, solar panel company, or solar whatever, I forgot the name. But yeah, honestly, I see Tesla as a really big contributor to the market, and the fact that throughout its 5 years, it's almost like, look at this percent, 1,444%. That's crazy. That's really crazy. The fact that this started off as a $48 stock, 42, then went up to like 1,400. Its stock split 1 to 4, and now it's back at 600. I don't know. It's super volatile, and it's pretty crazy. Yeah. So now moving on to Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin was crazy as well. If you look at the week chart, Bitcoin broke this week, and this week Bitcoin broke $20,000, which it has never done before. And the closest it's gotten it was in 2017, December 15, and it was on 19,260.50 cents. But then during the pandemic, September, November, it keeps going up. And then if you look at this month, or the week, which is better, right around here, and December 16 at 7 a.m. Bitcoin broke 20,000, and then as soon as this 20,000 broke, a small correction here, because people were skeptical. They got, oh, I'm gonna cash out, because it hit 20,000, and then as soon as this happened, a rally happened, and all those people that, they're like, oh my god, Bitcoin hit 20,000, let me get in, FOMO, fear of missing out. They're like, okay, let me get in here because it's at 20,000 now, instead of getting in here or in here, I'm gonna get in here because it's at 20,000. Which is kind of dumb. And now it went all the way up through December 16 to December 17. One day, it almost went up like $4,000. So it went from 20,000 all the way to $23,631, which is insane. And I know it's Bitcoin and it runs up a lot, but I don't know. It's just, honestly, there's so many companies right now. If you look at what companies are using Bitcoin, Microsoft has been using Bitcoin for the Xbox store since 2014. Overstock is currently leading the way for shopping in cryptocurrency. It's like Amazon, but they allow cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and lithium and Dogecoin, all this stuff. Home Depot, Starbucks, Twitch, all big plays in the market. Twitch, streaming, content, stuff like that. Starbucks, everybody gets their coffee there, and it's a renowned brand. Home Depot, tools, equipment, to build and blah blah blah. Microsoft, just technology overall, and e-commerce. So you have like one in each section working with Bitcoin and so on, and a bunch of companies have invested money in Bitcoin. Microsoft, I believe they invested 400 million last week in Bitcoin, and a bunch of other companies, and there's still like a bunch of mining to be done for Bitcoin as well. And I feel like it's not done yet. I feel like the fact that it broke 20,000 and it went all the way up to 23,000, which makes it the new resistant level, I think it's going to keep going. We're in uncharted territories. I feel like Bitcoin's able to hit 100,000 in a couple of years, honestly. It has the potential to do so. I know it's taking a long time for it to go to this level, but it can do so. And the fact that people believe that cryptocurrency will take over paper money and coins, it's a fact, and will remain that. It's easy, more accessible, and other qualities as well. But yeah. So yeah, those are my recommendations for long-term investments. Honestly, Tesla, the fact that it doubles almost every 3 months, it's crazy. It has a steady growth. It's actually making sales. The fact that they're coming out with new cars, making models cheaper for middle class families and people in general, so everybody has access to it. It's not a luxury vehicle anymore. The fact that it's more available to find power stations to charge this car, and new inventions are currently being made to make this mobile and so on. And just the fact of paying whenever you want and wherever you want with Bitcoin. I know Bitcoin has some shady aspects to it because sometimes it's used in the black market or in shady deals, but honestly, currency is what you make of it. Paper money was used in the mafia, and Bitcoin can be used as a tool, and it's just something that exists. It's just currency, and you decide what you do with the currency, and that's up to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and honestly, I'm gonna try and post more videos more often. I'm sorry I left for 6 months, guys, but I'm here to stay, and I just want to keep making videos for you guys, and I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.